How to disable tag option on Facebook. Now open your Facebook app. Here we go. Your home page appears. At the bottom right corner, you can see your profile icon. Tap on it. Now at the top right corner, you can see settings icon. Tap on it. At the top, you can see the search bar. Type your profile and tagging. Now here you can see different kind of options. At the first, you can see this option of view and sharing. Under that, you can see this option of who can post on your profile. Tap on it and then set it to only me. Go back. Now scroll down, you can see this option of reviewing. Under that, you can see this option of review tags people add to your post before the tags appear on Facebook. You have to tap on this option and then tap on this icon, review tags on your post, and then go back. Now again go to this option, review post you are tagged in before the post appears on your profile. Tap on it and then set it to enable. There is no exact option of disable tag option on Facebook, but you can apply this trick so that you can easily avoid tags on Facebook. I hope now you guys are totally clear about how to disable tag option on Facebook. At the end, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to check out our website createlogindelete.com, which is linked in description below for various helpful guides, tips and tricks for your favorite social media apps and software. Thank you.